Hello everybody, good morning. It is Walmart day. Yes, I am at Walmart on this nice cool morning. I don't get it. Sunday was like 90 something degrees. It was hot as heck. Now it's cold outside. Welcome to living in Wisconsin. You never know what you're gonna get. You never know what you're gonna get. But it is an awesome day because I love it when it's cool like this because we can get and do stuff, except the mosquitoes are super bad this year. But you're not here to hear the weather, you're here to hear the deals at Walmart. So yes, we are at Walmart right now. It is Thursday morning. I just had 2 bonuses pop up. It is a weekend warrior for $5 if I get 10 rebates. So we're gonna try to get that. And then there is a Surf's Up saving bonus where if I get 50 rebates in 2 weeks, which is not gonna happen, I'll get $10. So I bought it. This is ridiculous. I liked it when they did their month bonus thing. They did for like 2 months. But otherwise, to me, it's not worth chasing some of the Ibotta rebates. I used to do it all the time, but to me now, it's just not worth it. It's just not worth it. But yes, we are gonna go inside and help you guys save some money. Last weekend I was there, Father's Day stuff was like 90% off, and there might be a rumor that 4th of July stuff is on 90% off. So we're gonna go inside and just see if there's anything. I'm really trying to cut back on buying stuff. I really am. The couponing stuff is a totally different story because I can get rid of that easy peasy, but this is junk that I don't need for other things. So let's go inside and save some money and have fun while we're shopping. So here's something that I kind of want to try because I'm trying to just be a little bit healthier. They have the Orgain Wonder Gut for $29.98, $30 for a little thing. It says there is 25 servings in here for scoops, but $29.98. okay. We currently have a $4 Ibotta rebate that you guys can do. Then I have a deal with then I have a Shopkick deal where you get 1,885 points for purchasing and scanning it, which is $7.54 through Shopkick. But then I actually have a text message that I got from Aisle, Go Aisle. I just went to goaisle.com, put my phone number in, and there is a $12 reimbursement that you guys can get. It says right here that when I clicked on it, it says that I get $2 off the product, $5 off your Walmart receipt, and $5 back from Aisle. So I get $12 total back from Go Aisle. So this ends up becoming just $6.44. It's a little bit pricey, but we're gonna try it anyways and see how well it does. So here we have the Poise pads for just $5.97. You're gonna pay $5.97, but there is a Shopkick deal where you get 500 kicks for purchasing the product, which is $2. Then I don't have a Shopium coupon, but I do have a Swagbucks deal. I did scan it. It says nothing matched it, but we're still gonna submit a receipt and see what happens. But you get $3 back with Swagbucks for a manufacturer coupon. And then here we get a $2 Ibotta rebate for that. This ends up becoming just $1.03 moneymaker. So great deal with some Poise if you guys want to stock up with that. So here we have some soft soap, hand soap for $1.24. My store also has some for $1, but they're all sold out. But what you want to do is you want to go through and look at the small print. But we have a Swagbucks deal where when you buy 2 of them, you get $1.50 back. So together you will pay $2.48 for these soaps, but then you get that $1.50 back, making them just 98 cents or 49 cents each, which is a pretty great deal for some little things of hand soap. So I was checking out my store's clearance and I found this Icy Hot Kids on clearance for $3. And we currently have a $2 Ibotta rebate. So I'm gonna get this for just $1. There's 5 of them in here. So for $1, pretty good thing to try. So here we have the Purina Beneful and Crowdtap. Now, I also have the medleys right here. These are $2.74. Now when I scanned it with the Shopkick app, the Incredibites are saying that it's the wrong barcode, yada yada yada, except there's a picture of it right there. So I'm getting the medleys one that looks like this for $2.74. but you get 650 kicks, and then you get 15 kicks for purchasing and scanning it, which is 665 kicks. Ends up becoming $2.66 for shop kicks, but then I also got a 5 kick bonus, which I didn't factor that in. And then there is a 50-cent Ibotta rebate for that. So this ends up becoming a 42-cent moneymaker for some Benefo Medley's dog food. So here they have the little cans of the Benefo dog food for just 92 cents. You're gonna buy 3 of them and pay $2.76. But we currently have 75 cents off of 3 with Ibotta. And then we also have 125, so 135 kicks for scanning and purchasing the product, which is 54 cents with Shopkick. It is a limit of 1, making it $1.47 or just 49 cents a can, which is a pretty decent deal if you guys need some dog food. I always give this stuff to my neighbors, but $1 or 49 cents for a can of dog food. So I'm getting my other neighbors this Fancy Feast gem. So these are $2.48. You're gonna buy 2 of them and you will pay $4.96. But there's an Ibotta rebate where if you buy 2, you get $2.48. I also have it where if I buy it, I end up getting a 50-cent bonus since I just needed a 3rd one. So I will receive a 50-cent bonus for that. But then there is also a $1 rebate with a limit of 1 with Checkout 51, and then there is a $1 rebate with swag bucks. I might have a problem with swag bucks, but we will see, but I'm still going to submit it. If I do it, get all 3 of those approved, it ends up becoming free. But otherwise, if the swag bucks one doesn't work, I'll end up getting these for just 98 cents or 49 cents each, which is a pretty good deal, and my neighbors will love me, so yes. So here we have the small little bottles of Ajax for $1.24, but we currently have a swag bucks deal right here where if you buy 2 of them, you end up paying $2.48. But here you get $2 back when you purchase the 2, and it does show that the Ajax is included with the 12.4 orange bottles. So these end up becoming just 24 cents each. And I think it's a limit of 4, but I'm only gonna get 2 of them, but great deal if you guys need to get some hand soap. So I'm gonna continue doing this deal until I have no more offers, but the Rockstar deal is available. You guys can do this deal every other week unless you have a referral. But these are $1.88. You're gonna buy 2 of them and you pay $3.76 for 2 of them. But there's an IO deal. If you go back to a couple of my videos, or if you want me to put the link below, I can, but you guys can buy 2 of them. You'll pay $3.76, but then you get the $5 back in your PayPal, making this a $1. I didn't even do right to figure out what it is, but it's like $1.24 moneymaker. So I will take it. Yes, I'm giving these away to my neighbors if anybody wants them. Okay, so we are back from Walmart. So, funny thing is, I went to find the 4th of July stuff and all they had was headbands and like some kind of, I don't even know if they were plates, but that's okay. Didn't get any of that stuff. For that Orgain thing that I got, I will have a $12 referral that you guys can get. Like, I submitted my receipt and I instantly got it, and then they sent me a link that if you guys, if I share it, I get, you guys will get $12 too. So I'm gonna give this a try. I'm actually kind of excited. I just started taking B12 vitamins. I started taking apple cider vinegar vitamins, which I don't know. I'm checking those out, and then I also started taking vitamin C. I've been really trying to cut back on a lot of things and, you know, trying to eat healthier or portion control. So, but yeah, we'll see how this goes. We'll see how this goes. I know this is kind of like a balloon break. So, got that. And so that ended up becoming like, you know, $6, $6.44. I did find some clearance, you guys, which I was pretty excited for. I found this car for Chelsea. This was on clearance for $4, and I thought, this is a perfect gift to give to my daughter for Christmas. They had one with the clearance tag in the clearance aisle, and then I went over in the regular Barbie section, and they had a bunch of these with no prices on it, and I scanned it. So I grabbed the one without a price on it because this is gonna be a perfect gift for my daughter for Christmas. I know, you guys, and I need to make my Christmas update video because that's right around the corner. Right around the corner. And so I got that. I'm sorry, I'm just super excited to share with you guys what I got. And I found this Care Bears My Life playset. It's got like barrettes. I think this is like a tumbler, glasses, a mirror, a little purse, and some skates, and gummy bears. This was on clearance for $1. Again, my daughter does have one of these dolls, so I'm gonna give this again for her for Christmas. So I'm already starting. I love it, I love it. And you guys, guess what I found out? Okay, or guess what I found? Okay, if you guys haven't noticed, Beetlejuice is one of my favorite movies. It was actually my childhood favorite movie. Yes, I was obsessed with Beetlejuice when I was 3 or 4 years old. Yes, I might have watched it so many times that the VHS tape got ruined because I watched it. It was just on repeat 24/7. I found in the men's section a Beetlejuice in purple, and it's the ombre look sweatshirt. Yes, I had to get it. I had to get it. So that's just my highlight of my day. But anyways, so my total for everything came to be $60.41. I will have the link for that Wonder Gut information below for you guys. So $60.41. I got $11.83 with Ibotta. I could not find 10 rebates. Like, it's just not worth it. It's not worth it. But $11.83. Fetch rewards, you guys. 25 points. That's 2 cents. Yes. 2 cents. Yes. Swag Bucks, I did get approved right away for 350 points. That was for the Ajax and then the soft soap. It is still pending for the Poise and then the cat food. I know sometimes that stuff takes a couple days. So pending for that for $4. And then with Shopkicks, I received 3,228 points, which is $12.91. I really wanted to do the Caesar dog food, but my store, or the Caesar wasn't popping up to submit my receipt. Otherwise, I would have shared with you guys on that deal. Checkout 51, I got $1. Rockstar, I will get $5 back, and they'll send it to my PayPal. And then that Orgain Gut Rot, I instantly got approved for it, and they're sending $12 to my PayPal for that. And then I did receive that 50-cent Ibotta rebate bonus for the cat food. So all the way from $60.41, that's just including the couponing stuff. It didn't include everything else that I purchased that I shared with you guys. I got 16 items at 60 cents each. It's a pretty decent deal. So yes, I got all that stuff. But yeah, I'm pretty happy when I can find some stuff. And I'm super excited for the Halloween stuff to come on. I know I have to get ready for back to school shopping. I really missed like when Office Max, Office Depot used to do their penny deals, but they're not doing that stuff. But I need to start going through what I have for school supplies and start getting ready. Because, I mean, yes, it is only middle of July, but I like to get ahead. So when I see a sale, we go and get it. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel. It helps me out a lot if you guys can subscribe to my channel, if you guys like saving money. My life update video, I'm hopefully waiting for 2 things, like some good news for 2 things. When I get those good news, I'm waiting. I got 2 more days, and then I'll tell you guys more what's going on. But I'm just waiting for some good news before I post that video. So anyways, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.